Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix DJI Mavic Air 2 error code. So, first thing is just simply go ahead and power off the drone and remove the battery and wait for 30 seconds and then reinsert and restart. And this should fix the issue. Now, another one is inspect the gimbal. So, gently move the gimbal by hand and it should move smoothly and look for dust, sand, or any objects blocking the movement. Now you could also go ahead and go into the DJI application and just simply open the settings, control, and do a gimbal calibration. Now, if any of these doesn't work, just simply go ahead and make sure you have the latest firmware of the drone and remote controller using the DJI Fly app. There you go. See ya.